What's up, you guys? This is Akhilan from AkhilanTech, and without any further delay, as you know, the trending topic in the present situation is about the YouTube versus TikTok. So, which is best and which platform should you choose? I'll answer that question in this video. So, watch the video till the end. So, let's get started. If you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon for that amazing videos in this YouTube channel. So, without any further delay, let's get into the topic. As you know, few days back, Carryminati, a popular YouTuber, had kept a video about the YouTube versus TikTok, the end. So, this video has crossed so many likes and so many views on YouTube. But unfortunately, the YouTube has terminated this video because this video violated the YouTube terms and conditions. YouTube was established long ago. It was around 8 to 10 years the YouTube was established. But TikTok established only 2 to 3 years back. But it also gained a lot of popularity equivalent to the YouTube. YouTube is an American-based company, but TikTok is an Chinese-based company. And as you know, all the Chinese brands will be supporting the Chinese government. And even the TikTok has faced so many privacy issues till date. So each and every TikTok account may be in the hands of the Chinese government. Who knows? We cannot predict that. Basically, YouTube videos duration can be unlimited. You can make from 1 minute to the 1 hour or more than 2 hours also. But TikTok limit is only 15 seconds to maximum of 1 minute. All the YouTubers will produce long videos and a high production value videos. But in the TikTok, it is not the same case. But TikTok videos will only be maximum of 1 minute and they will not as much as high production values as like the YouTube. See, most of the YouTubers will use the DSLR cameras and the high quality cameras. But TikTok doesn't need any DSLR cameras. You can just take your mobile phone and with a selfie camera, you can just record. And for making TikTok videos, it takes only 2 to 3 minutes. But for making a YouTube video, it takes 2 to 3 hours or even more than that, depending on the content we are uploading. And in YouTube, all the YouTubers have the freedom of speech and you can even find a dislike button. But in TikTok, there is no freedom of speech. And if you make videos against the TikTok, then your account will be terminated from the TikTok. And there is no dislike button in the TikTok app. If you like the video or if you don't like the video also, you have to just hit the like button. There is no dislike button till date in TikTok. It has been 2 to 3 years that TikTok has arrived in the present market. But if you want to earn money, both YouTube and TikTok are the best social media platforms for you. You can even earn money from Instagram, but we are not talking about the Instagram in the present video. So let's talk only about the YouTube and TikTok. From both YouTube and TikTok, you can earn money. But YouTube gives you more money, more respect and more fan following to your videos. But the TikTok is completely opposite to that. It will give you less money, less respect and less fan following. Because you can even find the TikTok videos in the YouTube, but you will not find the YouTube videos in TikTok. So a TikToker can be highlighted even in the YouTube, but it's not the same case in the vice versa of that. See, most of the people in the present society will be very busy. So the YouTube is not for everyone. Because it takes 4 to 5 hours to make a video. Because there will be scripting, recording, editing and uploading. And most of the people don't know how to edit the videos. So it is a very tough job if you want to be a YouTuber. But if you want to be a TikToker, then you can do it anytime. Because after when you come to the home, after from a tight schedule also, then also you can make the TikTok. Because it takes less than 2 minutes to record a TikTok video and upload it to the TikTok account. So at last, I want to give my opinion on YouTube versus TikTok. See, if you want to earn money, both platforms are best for you because you can earn money from both the platforms. But if you want to work hard and gain more respect, then you can just opt for YouTube. Because YouTube will give you all the opportunities that I have told in the video right now. But TikTok will not give all these opportunities. But TikTok mostly goes for the entertainment purpose. And you can even spend more time on YouTube because people have so many videos out there in the YouTube. But in TikTok, only for entertainment. If you want to gain knowledge, only less videos you can find on TikTok. But if you want to gain knowledge through YouTube, then you can gain a lot of knowledge. Because if you want to learn editing, you will have the editing courses, and if you want to learn programming, you will have the programming courses and other courses. You can just learn from the YouTube application. So YouTube will be perfect for you. Because in my personal opinion, I prefer YouTube. Means I also prefer TikTok, but rather than TikTok, I mostly prefer the YouTube, because you will find more high quality videos, high content videos, and you can gain knowledge from YouTube. So YouTube is best for me, and it differs for each and every person. You might like TikTok and you can even like YouTube. So which one do you like? Do you like TikTok or YouTube? You can just comment in the comment box below. I'll be glad to know your answers. And we'll also keep a poll in the icon button. TikTok, YouTube. So let's see which application will get more votes, and that will be the winner of this video. And that's all from this video. If you like the video, just smash the like button and spread this video by sharing with your friends, family members, and to other people. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell icon so that you'll be reminded every time I post a new video in my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. That's it for me today. See you next time.